I chose to take Vantage because it's unlike any classroom experience.
This class is for anyone that's curious about how the numbers behind business work and can use that to tell a story.
Every day we're using examples, we're using case studies on tons of real businesses in AP Stats and IB Business, where we're using these business analytics aspects through company projects. I'm working with VANTAGE partners right now, and for our project we have to analyze a ton of spreadsheets of data, and we're using all these tools we learned in business analytics.
Once a week I work with someone new, and I've learned that everyone brings something valuable to the table. Everyone has a unique perspective to share.
You gain a new appreciation for credibility and data and where it's coming from, because I've discovered that researching is a lot more difficult than it's made out to be, and for that reason they teach you really well how to do good research and how numbers are the foundation of everything.
We're learning about Excel, we're learning about Tableau, we're learning about data sets and how you can take that big data set and turn it into something that can be usable.
We're going to have opportunities to have guest instructors. We're going to have site visits. We'll also have one-on-one mentors.
I love the hands-on real-world learning that we do during Vantage, and I wanted another year of that because I feel like it really prepares me for my next level of education.